So the lesson that we did was for aquatic science, and it is mapping the seafloor. What you will see the students doing is interacting with me at the direct teach station, where I was applying the academic vocabulary the students were already exposed to in class. They also had several other blended learning stations, one being a mini lab with topography of the seafloor, where the students had to drop a miniature weight into a feature they could not see, but they had to map it using the weight that was marked. The other station the students had was a virtual lab with seafloor features where they had to identify them and label them. And then they also had a check for understanding station.
Classes we're switching, okay? So there are still 6 or 7 more computers in here. So you guys will do the bit.ly. You guys have some questions. Make sure that you're answering incomplete sentences, okay? If you don't answer the incomplete sentences, you guys will not have or get the credit for that, okay? A lot of this, guys, is pulling back on drainage ocean, plate tectonics, all that stuff that you're doing. We're not getting in the library, okay? Any questions on station number 1? Yes, no, maybe so? Number 2 is that these 2 tables, you will do both of them. So flip it over to the back right now. You need to take that box and you need to divide it in half like a hamburger. Not a hot dog hamburger, divide it in 2, because you will be doing 2 topographic maps. That's what I saw you. That's what I saw you. Okay, so you start on 1, so every centimeter represents 100 meters. Okay, so each one of those, so if it's half, just do like 3.5.
Not completely.
So you start on one corner, you take the measurements all the way across, and it's going to give you highs, lows, or lows, whatever. Yes, whatever way you want. And you can use those centimeter increments to help you.
Like, how do I draw it?
Okay, so each of these stood for how much?
1 centimeter.
So let's see, this 700, 600,
I'm guessing wrong.
Okay, there you go.
Yours is 7 or that's for a little water.
7.
7. Let's go with this table first.
You said the first one was a 7, right?
You just put it 3.
There's 2 of them, so y'all will switch the boxes. There's 2 different topographies.
Is it touching?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 3.
So the highest you can go is 7 centimeters.
So, right here.
Okay, so that's why they did the 7. But remember, high to
3.
low and low to high.
So it's 300 centimeters. I mean, it's 300 meters.
Because you're underwater.
And then we do another one.
Yeah, so
Oh,
you can
that's what we're doing. We're just
top
making this.
and then go back.
And change. So what kind of map is this? Nice. So if this is a topographic map, what are all these?
These are lines too.
They are lines. They are the contour lines, right? So what color means it's got a higher elevation?
I'm gonna say white.
So what color do you think has a lower elevation?
Green.
Green or dark blue. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to show you something else. You ready for this? Make it rain.
That'll be the bridges, right? These are equivalent to
Okay. So as the water goes down, where's it going to stop flowing?
In the lower part.
And the lower elevation. So go ahead, put your hand out, make it rain. Put it about right here and straight out. Nice. I can weather and erode the surface, and the water will move.
With the sun.
Okay?
Yeah.
So now I want you to pretend like all this is underwater, so I'm going to flood it.
Okay, so how could you look at how could you research that?
So pretend like the water's way up here, right?
Height of Mount Everest
So a
and
meteor
depth of
hits,
to,
right?
like, the Marianas Trench.
Which areas are going to be exposed first? Starting to drain already. Go ahead and show me. Show me an area close to you that's going to be exposed first. Okay. And what's going to probably still be submerged?
The lower part.
The lower part. So where would you want to live if you were a critter? Makes sense, right? So can you guys tell me what a trench is? Do you remember?
Trench? It's just like a big train track. Dip.
Okay, so no, not a train track. I want a big dip, but I want it all the way across. So y'all make me a really big trench. Let me dry all this up. Hold on, let me get out of your way.
1, 2, 3. You're not really going to know what's going to happen. Does that make sense? So the more closely you can get them together, the more
So, do you remember from 8th grade science? Let's think back. This was a convergent boundary, right? And this was a divergent boundary. Do you think this would come from 2 plates coming together or spreading apart?
Probably spreading apart.
I agree. Why do you think spreading apart?
Because there's a big line.
There's a big line in the middle. Totally get it. Can you give me some water in your trench? There you go. You're making it rain. See, you're raining right over here. Perfect. Okay, now I want you to try to get that water over here. So are you weathering, eroding? What are you doing? Yes, weathering and eroding. Good. And then as you move it, you deposit the sand in a different spot. Very cool. So, do y'all have any questions about how this works? Because I have one more thing for you to make, and then we're done. Good. And if you want to take pictures, you can. Anybody want a picture? It's pretty cool on a picture. The only thing I ask is that when you tweet it, or if you put it on Snapchat, make sure you say it's a topographic map. Don't be like, this is really cool. Tell them what it is.
I saw it already a couple times.
Right? All right. So the last thing I want you to make is one big giant mountain for me. Make me the biggest mountain y'all can make. Just one big one. Go for it.
In the middle?
In the middle.
No, it's just white sand.
Well, it is white sand, but what is a picture of? You're right. Is it just showing elevation or is it snow?
I guess well, because it's underwater, so.
Right, but it's just showing elevation. Just remember the color. The white means it's higher.
So when you guys have a
All right, so make it rain on your side of the mountain. And watch how it flows.
just switch buttons, yeah.
Nice. Now I want you to try to make a tiny little lake on the side of your mountain and get some water stuck in it.
Doesn't work.
Super, super deep and super flat.
Flat.
Okay. So what would be the flatter part?
Let's go. It's raining. Can it pull back? See? Came off your fingers. So we do have some stuff. So if this is on a mountain above water or above
Hey guys, we're gonna have to speed this up.
a location, this right here is